stocks, crypto, credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. I just wanted to do a quick video over Novatechfx. Just wanted to be 100% transparent. So I did receive my payment, and they sent me a message at 1:22 in the morning, just saying, "Dear Daryl, you received your cash of $500 bonus to my email, and it was approved." So I just want to show that I am getting payments from Novatech. They usually take anywhere between a half a day to 18 hours, usually 12 to 18 hours. I usually get a payment. So let me go ahead and go into my Uphold wallet. I was paid out $500. And it's showing here I have $483 in my wallet. And you can use this as cash. You can withdraw it back to your wallet. I like Uphold because it's very user friendly, especially for those who are getting started. And showing that it came in shortly after that email. So Novatech is working just as they say, as stated. Very transparent companies. One I definitely recommend if you were looking to build steady passive streams. And that's very important during these times with inflation at an all-time high. The stock market is down. It'll come back, but it's down right now. So it's just nice to have something else that is steady during these times. So I'm not going to keep you guys. I just wanted to do a quick video on Novatech from start to finish, showing a withdrawal. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue to show you different strategies that I'm creating consistent cash flow. Until next time, signing off.